everybody, it's your girl Bree checking back in, and welcome back to my channel as told by Bree. So happy to have you guys here for my official holiday home decor tour. Super excited. This is actually my first time doing a home tour, so I'm stoked. I hope y'all are excited too. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to me, go ahead and do that. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This may look familiar to some of you. I actually did a video on this look. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. I love the way that the centerpiece came out. So I'll show you guys. So we have this tall pearl tree that came from Burlington. So my little cousin Peyton helped me pick that out. And then I made these, I filled these two vases with an assortment of ornaments and acorns and berries. All that stuff came from Dollar Tree, silver beads. This candle came from Burlington's, and then these ornaments that you see along the base, those are also from Dollar Tree. So, you know, everything is super affordable. This is my chair. I rarely ever sit in this chair, y'all. Like, very rarely ever sit in this chair. But I felt the need to decorate it. So, as you see, I have another one of these red fuzzy pillows. Oh my gosh, so comfortable. And then I complemented it with this pillow, and I thought it was perfect because not only is it obviously themed, but it has the silver and it has the red. So it like brings out not only the pillow, but the gray that's on the blanket on my chair, and then also in my curtains. So I just wanted to give you guys a closer look at this pillow that I was talking about. It's so comfy. So comfy, and it's red with like a little bit of silver in it. So it's perfect. Perfect. Also, these are my curtains, and they have cute little bows. So cute. So cute. But yes, the bow, I'll let you take a guess. I'll let you take a guess. I bet you can't guess. Dollar Tree. Yep, you guessed it. Dollar Tree. But yeah, it's so cute, and it only costs $1. Before I forget, make sure you guys go check out my holiday playlist. It's called the Holiday Mixtape. So it's 40 plus songs of R&B goodness, and I love it. It has, you know, you got a little bit of everything. A little Martin Gaye, a little Luther Vandross, a little Aretha Franklin, a little Isley Brothers, Boyz II Men, Temptations, the Supremes. Like, come on now, like you really can't go wrong. So definitely check that out on Apple Music. I will link it below. If you've seen my Glam home decor haul, then you've seen these babies right here. These are my super glam vases, and I just took some branches that I found at Dollar Tree and some berries that I also found at Dollar Tree, and I threw them in there along with my branches, my pearls, and I picked up, I don't know if you can really see the difference with this lighting, but I picked up some branches that actually had some like glittery tint to them, if you can tell. Thought that was super cute, and it has like a light gray color to it. So I thought it would be perfect for my apartment, seeing that, you know, when it's not the holiday season, my apartment is just silver and white, and I love it. Like, you can't tell me that I need to put color in here because I absolutely love it without color. So they're the same on both sides. Fireplace going. So that's that. Didn't really do much of anything to my TV stand. Like, it's kind of still the same as it was, but I love it. Like, sometimes to me less is more. Like, it's just super classy to me, like very clean, has like an elegant look to it, just like sophisticated. Like, the silver, gray, and white to me just looks really good. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my living room. It's my baby. Love the way I decorated her. I love this centerpiece that I made. Well, okay, I didn't make it, but I put it together. So I got these candle holders from Burlington's, as you can see. You know, Glam candle holders, 2 of them, exactly the same. And then I got this garland from Ross, and I absolutely love it. Added a few details to it. If you see these silver branches here, those are actually from Dollar Tree. I just kind of put those in there, and then I also added these little acorns, which are also from Dollar Tree. Love the centerpiece. I actually bought a few scents for my diffuser. So this is actually called Warmth of the Holidays. Not exactly sure what that means, but you know, it's Warmth of the Holidays. But I love it. Diffusers, like I said before in some of my previous videos, aromatherapy is me. So I had to throw a little scent in here for the holiday season, just a little bit. So we have this little thing. This sits in my kitchen on my oven. It says "Believe in the Magic of Christmas," and this came from Ross. I love it. You know, just a subtle touch to add to the kitchen. This sits on my bookshelf. It says Silent Night, and I absolutely love it. Silent Night came from Burlington's. They also had a few other sayings as well. And then these 2 M pieces that you see, they came from Dollar Tree. So don't sleep on Dollar Tree, y'all. Goodwill and Dollar Tree, I get so much good stuff from there. I don't know how people overlook those places, but yes, Goodwill and Dollar Tree are definitely the GOAT when it comes to affordable, but still very cute home decor. We move a little bit lower on my bookshelf, we will see these 3 picture frames, and these 3 are special to me because I actually made this wording on Canva. So it says, "'Tis the season." These 2 are the same. You may have seen those in my Glam home decor haul. Those are both from Ross. This one's from Burlington's. So I love them. I think it's a nice touch. You know, something that's kind of subtle, but still like gives you the holiday spirit, still has that Christmassy effect. And this is actually the first time that my bookshelf has been totally complete. So I just want to show y'all because I'm proud of myself for finally finishing this bookshelf. Love it. This is my bar cart. I really didn't do anything crazy to my bar cart. I just added a few accessories here. So if you're interested in seeing how I decorated my bar cart, definitely feel free to check out my video. I have a video on that. But I just added some berries, and I added this. Both of these are from, you already know, my favorite store, Dollar Tree. So definitely go there and check that out if you're interested in getting just a few little accessories that are a great complement to anything that you guys already have. I bet you guys were expecting something super extravagant for my Christmas tree, and really and truly, no, I kept it pretty simple this year. This is actually my first year decorating my tree, so I tried to keep it fairly simple. I got most of my ornaments from Dollar Tree other than this one. This is my favorite. This is my Atlanta Falcons ornament. You guys know I love me some Atlanta Falcons. I got this from the team store, so you know, if you have a favorite team, you can probably get one from your local team store as well. For the skirt, I already had a white rug that I was using under my mirror in my living room, so I kind of just used that at the bottom. It looks really good. You know, you can use like small rugs or even like old blankets or things like that. You can definitely use those as well. But yes, my tree is very small. It's 4 feet tall, but it gets the job done. So the tree is from Walmart. I got the tree from Walmart last year for $9.99. So if you're looking for one, I actually saw some. I saw some about last week in Walmart. So definitely go by and go get you a tree, girl. Go get you a tree. I have this mirror over here, and the white rug that's underneath my tree right now normally goes under here, but I love to deck this with string lights because it just looks so good at night to me. It looks like really good. And then obviously, you know, when you stand in the mirror, I'm not gonna stand in the mirror, you can see the two people all standing in the mirror. See the TV in the back, and then like if you have the right angle, you can see the tree in the back too, but I look crazy, so once again, I'm not hopping in the shot. But yeah, like that's just a little hack. Like string lights, you really can never go wrong with string lights. So that is all for my holiday home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. I really enjoyed decorating. So I hope that you guys were able to feel that. And I hope that you guys are able to take away a few things from this video that you're able to apply towards your creative projects as well.